So, hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Virgo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed. Also, third thing, this is a reading from today till the 25th of August for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video, okay? Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also, and the action can be from your side also. Okay, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Let's start, Virgo. The person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Oops. So their love is turning into a disaster. This person feels like they used to love you a lot, but slowly but surely their love is falling apart, their illusion is falling apart. This person was living in some kind of illusion that you love them the most in the world, that you are the one for them, that they are going to be with you forever, or you are the love of their life. So I think this some kind of illusion is falling apart. Slowly but surely this person is hitting some kind of reality here, and it sucks, but they feel like they're coming to this energy of from loving you like a crazy person to this energy of I don't want to even think about Virgo because they suck, because they did something really wrong with me. I'm never going to forgive Virgo, and I'm always going to be like away from them. So you guys had a major breakup or separation or ugly fight or something like that, and now this person is taking that as the end of this chapter, end of this love, end of this feelings for you, and they are feeling like this is over, this is done, goodbye. So from being loving you like crazy, they are being like, I don't care about you. I don't think so. Like, they don't care about you, but at least they think they don't care. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Virgo? We have the Judgment, the Seven of Swords, the Four of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Hermit. Okay, so here's the deal. Either they want you to apologize to them for whatever you did with them because they're very upset about it. Okay, according to them, you fucked up, you messed up, you did something really bad with them, and you owe them an apology. Not an apology only, you owe them an explanation of why you did whatever you did, and you are the one who made this connection like suck like this. So you are the one to blame here. So they definitely want you to ask for forgiveness. They definitely want some kind of apology message communication from your side. So, and they definitely want some kind of explanation about what like why you did whatever you did behind their back. I don't know what you did, and this person wants you to come out of this being upset about this energy all the time. Now you can reverse the roles as well. If they are the one who fucked up, who messed up, this person definitely feels the guilt now. This person definitely feels the regret now, and they want to come forward towards you and apologize to you and make things right between you and them. Okay, so this person wants to break the silence. Whatever the case may be, if you are the one who messed up, they want you to break the silence. If they are the one who messed up, they want to break the silence, and they want to come forward towards you and apologize to you and communicate with you and give you some kind of explanation about whatever happened. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 25th of August. Virgo, let's see. I do see Three of Cups, the Hermit, and the Two of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Wands. I do see them juggling between you and somebody else, or juggling between this thought of should I not, should I not. I don't see them taking any kind of action. I do see them one foot in, one foot out of the situation. It's like I don't think this person wants to come towards you for reconciliation or communication, like communicating normally. This person wants to come forward towards you to fight with you in some way, shape, or form, to get some kind of explanation from you, or give you some kind of explanation. So it's like they are continuously going back and forth about the situation. Should they, should not, should they not, should they talk to you, should they not, should they connect with you, should they not, should they text you or not. And I don't think they're going to do that. They might say simple hi, hello, or they might try to connect with you, but at the last moment they are going to back off. They're going to be like, no, no, don't do that. So I don't see them taking any kind of action, because they are too much in their head about it, too much in this energy of back and forth and on and off about it. So I don't see them taking any action. In fact, they're going to be in this energy of, okay, let's keep moving forward, let's keep moving forward. Okay, so let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Virgo. Okay, just chariot. Okay, understand the pros and cons, black and white, everything about the situation. Okay, and keep moving forward. The stars are going to be aligned with your energies. The stars are going to be aligned with your decision. If you're going to make the decision, make the choice wisely, that you have to move on, you have to get out of the situation no matter what. I'm not saying to leave the situation forever and never go back and never resolve the issue. For the time being, keeping your distance, keeping moving forward is very, very important for you guys, in order to heal yourself properly, and giving the time and space to the other energy as well, so that they can also heal themselves properly. Then you can make the decision of wanting to go back to them or leaving them or whatever it is. Okay, but as of now, keep moving forward. Do not look back. Do not make any kind of move. Just keep moving forward. Okay, and keep on healing yourself. Remain optimistic and positive that whatever is happening for your highest good, and everything is going to be fine, whether it's going to be a reconciliation or not. But keep moving forward. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.